Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Warm weather is coming back and I got a day off, so I'm here and I'm setting up some 4x4s. Now you may remember I brought them home last fall from the lumberyard job, and now I can finish cleaning up the oak firewood in the middle of the yard, which I've started to do. And from now on, all the logs are going on the 4x4s. The only problem is that's going to give mice and chipmunks and other nasties a beautiful place to live underneath there this winter. But I guess you got to take the good with the bad. And since we don't have outdoor cats anymore, and I don't think we ever will again because of I can't handle losing them, so that's how it's going to have to be. Anyway, I'm cleaning up the wood piles, trying to clear up the front lawn. Michelle is enjoying the outdoors. Melanie is cooking something. She's had that marinating for a while. Hi, are you having fun? Oh, you've been in the garden, haven't you? I don't know what else that is there, but whatever. So, we're getting some dinner going on the grill, and I'm cleaning up here the middle of the yard. I hope to get this all done in a very brief period. I'm going to work until I can't work anymore, and I should say I don't have today off, I have tomorrow off, but tonight I'm going to be working on this here until I'm too tired, and then tomorrow I'm here on the homestead all day and I'm going to work on it and work and work and work and work, try to clean this up. Well, that's 3 wheelbarrows. I think 3 or 4. I got the first row down. I extended the boards a little bit, but that's a nice and neat row there. Really neat. So, got a good start here for next year. 1 cord is about a month, so I got a good month so far and a half with that right there stacked. I got a lot more out in the yard. About all I can carry at one time on that without breaking it. Like putting together a puzzle. Find pieces that fit nice together. Awkward ones I put up high. They'll burn first because they're so thin anyway next year. I might get it done tonight. I don't know how I feel, how much energy I'll have. We'll see. We're getting there. Whew. I'm going to have to build up this front row in order to build up this corner better. So the pine, I'll have to bring over some pine. So I'll probably be running the log splitter in the next day or so. And split some more pine. I'm also going to be out with a chainsaw now that it's warm again out. And the ground isn't all ice. It's been frozen. We still have piles of snow and ice in places in the country where the sun doesn't shine. But that's a beautiful sight in the country, isn't it? Right there. Some of these are awkward shaped. They don't stack as well. Well, getting it. Have a look here. That's a heavy load. That was out to here, and it was way out to here, if I remember right. Somewhere around here. You'll see it on, I'm sure you guys can go back and look at it, but that was a lot of firewood. That was a lot stacked up. I'll finish in the morning. I think Melanie is dinner ready? Yeah. Alright, we're going to eat outside. I'll finish that up in the morning. Get this load emptied out, and that'll be it for tonight. Well guys, I guess the evening's come to a close. It is time for us to eat. Family barbecue. Michelle is now sitting. Well, maybe just see her chin above the table. Can you see Michelle? Hi Michelle, say hi to the people. Wave to the camera. Say hi. Are you gonna get shy now? She teases. Did you see that? Are you gonna get shy? Huh? She's hiding from the camera. Oh, we're gonna eat our food. Talk to you all later. Well, hey everybody. Another day comes to a close. It was a beautiful day here with a beautiful family. Melanie.
Michelle.
Anyway, got a little bit done here in the yard after work. So, got a little fire going on over here. Nice little barbecue. Neighbors driving by. But I got big plans for tomorrow. Yeah, it's not supposed to be as nice out as today. Maybe in the 50s. Today was around the 70s, which was about the warmest day we had this year. But tomorrow, on my day off, is supposed to be a low to mid 50s and possibly raining. I'm hoping not though, because I want to get out there and get that wood pile cleared up. I want to clear this whole front yard out, get the log splitter out of there and the trailer and the sawhorses. I hope to get all that done tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. But this day is done. I think it's got to be like 9:30 at night right now. I can hear birds over here and I can hear a tree frog over here, which is cool. So I'll get this video up to you in the morning. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. And we'll talk to you all later. Good night. I'm just going to sit here and enjoy the last few minutes before it gets pitch black out. Watch Michelle running and playing around out here. Talk to you later.